Hey everyone, welcome to this video. My name is DENIS OGWAL and today I'm going to walk you through how a point of sale system or POS software works. I'll be using a real life example of the software I developed, that is Essential POS. This software has its desktop version and the web version for those who would wish to access multiple locations in a centralized place. But before we dive in, let's start with the basics. A point of sale or a POS system is a combination of hardware and software that businesses use to complete sales transactions. This negates the thinking that POS systems are just software or just hardware. None can work without the other. Whether it's a retail shop, a cafe, a supermarket, a pharmacy, name them all. Every time a customer buys something, the transaction is processed through a POS system. A good POS system is more than just a cash register. Modern POS systems like Essential POS are vital for businesses because they can manage multiple aspects of the businesses, from handling payments to managing inventory and even generating reports. Easy and efficient data entry, employee reporting and management, customer management and marketing, name them all. It helps businesses streamline operations and provide better customer service. To mention, there are two categories of point of sale softwares. Three if you like. That is the desktop based point of sale software. Others prefer to call it on-premise POS software or legacy POS software. In most cases, this category of software, like if I would compare with the Essential POS software, the desktop version, is commonly used by shops that are operating in a single location, and this software is probably going to be installed by a technician on a desktop computer or on multiple computers but within the local area network of the shop. There is also a web-based POS software. In most cases, this is required by businesses that have multiple branches or run in multiple locations, and yet a central analysis or a central access to the data or sales, call it purchases that are done, needs to be accessed. But also some other people prefer to put on the third one, which is mobile based software. Nevertheless, they may not be so different from the web based POS software. Now let me show you how Essential POS works. We designed it to be intuitive yet powerful enough to handle any business needs. Let's walk through some of the key features of the Essential POS. We shall begin by, as you're seeing this desktop of mine, I'll go click the Essential POS icon. This is our icon. When I click on it like that, it will start up the Essential POS, and after loading all the modules, it will ask you to log in. All I will have to do is to put in my default logins for now, and then I put in my default password, and you should ensure it is correct, because if it's not correct, it will not allow you to log in. And then you select the outlet at which you are, if at all you have many outlets around, or if it's just one single store, one single shop. Even when you configure it, this outlet will not even be asked for. Then after, you click OK to log in, and when you log in, this is our main menu. The main menu, like you could see, it has the settings menu to customize the Essential POS, a human resource module to work with the human resource or the staff, the business module where most of these transactions are carried out, the store that manages store both in distribution and returns, then where you find the reports for analysis and any other access to reports. Then here you can find the support details for this software and some other quick access tools under this menu. And below you could see there is a ready option for sell. Sales is the option that is given you right when you log in, because it's the day-to-day activity that is executed with this point of sale software. Now, besides the login module, we have accessed it. You could see there is a settings module for the customization of the system to match the business processes of the person using the software. We have the sales module. This is where the magic happens. I can scan or input items manually, and Essential POS automatically calculates the total. The system supports multiple payment methods, whether it is cash or mobile payments. All will be acceptable here. Then what happens is this: if at all what is selected is using barcode, it means the system is possibly going to allow you to just use barcode scanners to input in or select the products that are being sold. But if at all the system uses no barcode, means you can search for the item here. If at all the items are so many and you cannot see some, they are down, or you could just simply select what is available, and you can see I have selected my items. And since the items that I selected should be like much more than 10 in the balance for it to notify me, now the item balance is 8, so it will show me that this item is already in red just because it is already below the stock levels that I wanted to keep at. Then obviously you can see the totals are already calculated and the discounted total. If at all I wanted to add the batch, I just have to select the batch there. I just click on the batch, and then the expiry date. I come here, put in my discount is 0, and then the cash I want to pay, maybe they have presented me with 6,000, so I am supposed to give them a balance of 500. Then I say it is a cash shell, to which customer, if at all I have the customer registered with me, or it can be a walk-in, so I just have to create an account of a walk-in. Then I just select that and then select, and since I don't have a receipt printer here with me, I'll just choose save without having to release a receipt. And then if I checked my sales records and I came here and said I want to check out this sale today, you could see what I have sold. Besides, then I can even do this by date, and I say maybe today to today, and say just do that. You'll see it will list for me my records as well. Now besides that sales module, there is managing inventory in this system. How do we manage our inventory? Next, in this inventory module, it is essential for keeping track of what is in stock. You can add new items by going to purchases. You just have to say, maybe I want to add Panadol. I want to add a Panadol purchase, and I will say which quantity. Maybe I will say 10. If at all I have ever bought before, I will say 10 and say add. That will just increase my stock balance. And how do I tell my stock balance? I just have to go here and see it's now 41. If I went back and added another purchase, if I went back and did another purchase and said maybe this time round it is I'm going only to add 5, okay, and then I say let me add that. If we check out the stock balance again, you could see the stock balance for the store is now 46, but that doesn't change the outlet stock, because for the balance at the outlet, what changes it is me after selling or after transferring the stock from the store. That is, if I set that, if I came under settings and said I have a store available with me. So if at all I didn't say that, it will keep showing me two different kinds of stock, that is for my store and for my outlet. Now if I wanted to increase the stock for the outlet so that it stops warning me, I just have to go to distribute here and select the outlet that I want to give stock, and select how much do I want to give that stock. I want to give it 20 of the packets of Panadol, and at that and then I'll do this. Then I'll just say save. So when I save that, if we try to go and check out our stock balance here for the outlet, you could see it has increased, and probably it's no longer warning us because it is above the stock level. It has risen to 28 because we sent 20, and possibly that has reduced the store stock to 26. And when I sell, obviously the stock keeps balancing off, it will reduce. And that's how basically our inventory management module works. Then the other module is the reporting and the analytics. Like you can see here under Essential POS, you just have to go to reports, and then you can get any report of a kind of a transaction that you have done enter into this system. You could say under stuff you can get registration reports, attendance or payment systems, payment reports, or purchases reports, sales reports, expenses, stock reports. Like if I clicked stock reports, you could check out the example, and if I say I want to just view store, it will show me the final value of the products that I have, the totals that I do. If I said I want to check out the stock at my pharmacy, how much it costs, you could check. If at all it was by date, and you know I have done that before, obviously we just put in our stock today, so that won't be able to show. And then if I said maybe I wanted financial summaries, and I said I want these financial summaries to be from Jan maybe 1st, and I say I want to generate my income statement, here we go. It's just on a click of button. Never mind about the report header that can be customized at a click of a button. I just have to go there and load the client's details. If I come here and say the business details and loaded all this, it's what will be appearing on the other side. Now, all in real time, this helps you make data-driven decisions to grow your business. Why? Because obviously you're doing this in real time. It's on a click of a button, and you get that. Some other additional features with this Essential POS include some great additional features like customer loyalty program, allowing businesses to reward their regular customers, and employee management, where you can track sales made by each employee. If I came here to sales summary, if I said I want to track for an individual, and then I said it is admin on 9th, it will show me all that admin did. If at all I wanted for general, it will also still show me under that summary. Now besides, if at all I was running a customer loyalty program, all I have is to go and run account reports, and then I say I want to know sales by account, and then I say maybe from 1st, okay, to this month, and then I say which account, maybe DENIS and family account, and I do this. When I select it, will list for me what DENIS has bought from me during this period, and how much so far I have made from the sales I've made to DENIS, and possibly that could inform my decision on how I should reward DENIS. Okay, but besides, like I said, that was just a desktop version. Some of you prefer quality legacy version of the Essential POS software and how it works. Many other functionalities are within there, but you cannot dive into all that. Probably if you needed that, then we can you can always request for a demo. I will put a link below here. And then the other thing is we are going to go into our web version of the software. It's so far our demo runs on pos.ditha.ug.tech, like you can see. And then our login, these are my default logins already in there. Probably you'll create yours. Since like we don't have the barcode, so we shall not use the barcode select. The operations are almost the same. If at all I select any product that is not in stock like this, you can see it's complaining, but there was already a product that had been selected. I can already choose that out, and then I'll come here and say maybe this is a product in stock, so I'll do this, and then it will show you that it is 6. If I changed here and said I was taking 2 kilograms instead of 1, it will show you that you're supposed to pay that as the total, and then you'll say the cash maybe you're paying, they have issued you with is 14, Then you could go ahead and say maybe it is cash and you're selecting the customer. Maybe you say it is a walk-in, and then when you save sale, it will generate you possibly a receipt. And since I don't have a printer with me, my receipt is going to come up here. These designs can always be customized, and that's the advantage with us. And like you could see, there are many other functionalities under this. I could choose to say, no, I want to check out my sales records. Since I've just made a sale, I would just go here and say I want to know from 2nd of this month to maybe 9th of this month. It will generate me the records of the sales that I have made. Yeah, we go. I will say maybe I don't want to view all of this. I want to view maybe who sold this. I would not want to view this, so it will limit my details. I may say I want to print this out, or I want to search if at all the records are so many, or export this to very many other formats that I would like. It's all possible with this Essential POS software. And Essential POS makes it easy to manage sales, inventory, and more. If you are interested in learning more about Essential POS or want to try it out for your business, check in the link in the description below for a free demo. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Feel free to drop a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Until next time, happy selling.